So, hello everyone, my name is Patanjali and welcome back to my new channel. Today we are solving a very interesting and a slightly tricky problem like Roman to integer. First of all, I'm going to introduce myself like I'm Patanjali. I'm currently pursuing BTech CSE from Coding Gita on my university. Like I am from Surat, Gujarat. So, have you got this question is greater for improving your understanding of string and mapping logic. Let's dive in. So first of all, here is the problem says a problem statement like Roman numerals are represented by seven different symbols IV, XL, CD, and M. So for example, 2 is written as double I in Roman numerical. Just two ones add together, 112 is written as X11, which is simply X plus double I. The number of 27 is written as double X V double I, which is double X plus V plus double I. So we need to change a Roman number into number or number into Roman. I think we need to change a Roman number into number. Like input or if triple I, then the output will be 3. Example to the input will be LV triple I, then the output will be 58. So here we go. First of all, what is the problem statement? Like you are given a Roman number as a string. Your task is to convert into an uh, string. You convert into a number like I equal to 1, b equal to 5, x equal to 10, l equal to 50, c equal to 100, d equal to 500, m equal to 1000, etc, etc. First of all, important rule. Normally values are added from the left to right. First of all, normally values are added from the left to right, but there is a special case. If a smaller value appears before a larger value, we subtract it. Like 4 iv equal to 4, then we'll go with the 5 minus 1. Ix equal to 9, then we'll go with the 10 minus 1. So let's take an example like input of miv miv, then m equal to 1000, cm equal to 900, and iv equal to 4. Then total 1904. So first of all, we are going to uh, look at the approach like traverse the string from the left to right and compare current value with the next value. If current less than next, then subtract, and else add. So here we go. We are diving into the code. Like here is a class named solution and public integer Roman to integer I, like string as. First of all, we are going to get the one integer like Roman. No, no, no. Uh, unordered. We need first of all we need the unordered map. Like we already had an integer Roman. First of all, we need a map. We need a map. Unordered map. Char I character I integer. Character integer. This is done. Then map. We are going to use the map. Like if we had the if we had I, then 1. If the I, then 1, V, then 5, V, then 5, X, then 10, L, then 50, L, then 50, C, then 100. And last one, no, not the last one, but D, then 500, M, 1000, 1000. Okay. So here we go. Map. It's our map. Mhm, mhm. And then integer result 0 for integer I equal to 0, I less than s dot length, then I plus plus I plus plus, and then we are going to use if else statement. If I plus 1 less than s dot ngth, uh, sorry, length n map s of I less than a map s of I plus 1, I plus 1, I plus 1, I plus 1, if I plus 1 less than s dot length, and then map s I less than map s I plus 1, and result minus equal to mp s of I else else return plus or equal to map of s I. Return result, I think it should be our correct code. um, we go return result 24, error expected member name or after declaration specified. um, mhm. For if else let me check it out, like MP. First of all, using first bracket, first one, yo, got it. So we have a else return plus equal to mp else of I, then else close, for close, and public integer roman integer. No, we go. LeetCode. I think I had a syntax error. First of all, I think I have to check it out in ChatGPT. Oh, sorry. I just write return in place of result, and now here we go. So now we have our answer, like first of all case 1 we have a triple I, then output is a 3. Second case is we have a LB triple I, output is a 58, and case 3 MCM HCIV, and we have the output of 1994. Like I just write a return in place of our result, and I'm just finding a error, I thought there is some syntax error, like. So have we go. See you in the next session. It's a very basic code. I just got the syntax, not a syntax, but it's a little bit a minor error by me. So have we go. See you in the next session.